Ongoing anxiety can interfere with daily life if it isn't managed properly. In this episode, I talk about the simple steps I use to manage my anxiety. Let's get into it. I have been struggling with anxiety for many years, and I have found that learning how to deal with it as an adult involves understanding its causes, building healthy coping strategies, and knowing when to seek support. For me, one of the most important steps in managing anxiety is recognizing and accepting it. And for years, I tried to ignore it or felt embarrassed by it, which just made the problem worse. Accepting that it's a natural response to stress allowed me to address it more effectively rather than trying to hide it. By identifying its triggers, such as deadlines, social situations, or just uncertainty, I began to understand why I felt anxious and learned how to prepare for those moments in healthier ways. I learned that a healthy lifestyle with healthy habits plays a major role in reducing my anxiety. Regular physical activity helps release tension and improves my mood overall. Even simple activities like walking or stretching can make a huge difference. I have also learned that getting enough sleep is essential, as a lack of rest can intensify my anxious thoughts and racing mind. In addition, eating balanced meals and limiting excessive caffeine helps me to stabilize energy levels and reduce the physical symptoms of anxiety. Another effective way I manage it is through mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Practices such as deep breathing, meditation, and grounding exercises help me to calm my mind and focus to the present moment. These techniques can be especially helpful during stressful situations, allowing me to slow down my thoughts and regain a sense of control. Writing in a journal is another helpful method, as it provides me with a safe space to express worries and organize thoughts. Strong social connections are also important when dealing with my anxiety. Talking openly with trusted friends, family members, or coworkers can reduce feelings of isolation and provide emotional support. I have also found that many adults find comfort in realizing that they're not alone with their struggles and work hard to maintain strong, enduring relationships. Now, I made a previous video here where I talk in depth about this, and you can watch it by clicking right here. In some cases, professional support from a therapist or counselor can be extremely beneficial. This is because therapy can help individuals learn coping strategies that help build long-term resilience. Finally, setting realistic expectations was the key to managing my anxiety. I used to place immense pressure on myself to succeed in every area of my life. Learning to set boundaries, prioritize tasks, and accept imperfections has significantly helped to reduce my daily stress levels. Taking breaks and making time for enjoyable activities also helps create balance and prevents burnout. Hobbies are another great distraction and provides me with a process that is controllable and gives me immediate satisfaction. In conclusion, dealing with my anxiety requires patience, self-awareness, and consistent effort. By adopting healthy habits, practicing relaxation techniques, seeking support, and maintaining realistic expectations, I am able to manage my anxiety more effectively and improve my overall well-being. And while it may not disappear completely, it can become a manageable part of life rather than a limiting one. And for all of you that struggle with anxiety on a daily basis, I get it. And I'm right here with you. My name is James, and I thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe. A thumbs up also goes a long way to helping out the channel. And I also want to give a big thanks to my good friend for sharing his struggles with me and ultimately inspiring me to make this video. Take care and see you in the next one. Peace.